Hello everyone, and welcome back to this updated review of Hostinger. Now, Hostinger is a web hosting company that offers a range of hosting services, including shared hosting, cloud hosting, and VPS hosting. In this review, we'll take a closer look at the features and performance of Hostinger to help you decide if it is the right choice for you and your specific needs. Now, if you're not familiar with Hostinger, it was founded in 2004 as a small web hosting provider based in Lithuania. The company was started by a group of young entrepreneurs who wanted to offer high-quality hosting services at affordable prices. In the early years, Hostinger focused on providing shared hosting services to small and medium-sized businesses. As the company grew, it expanded its range of hosting services to include VPS hosting and cloud hosting. Hostinger also started to expand its global presence, opening offices in Indonesia, Brazil, and the United States. Today, the company has more than 29 million users and serves customers in over 170 countries around the world. Over the years, Hostinger has received numerous awards and accolades for its hosting services, including being named one of the top 100 web hosting providers by Hosting Advice in 2018 and one of the top 10 web hosting providers and top 10 reviews in 2019. The company has also received positive reviews from customers for its fast and reliable servers, affordable prices, and wide range of features and tools. Alright, now that we've got that out of the way, let's talk about the pricing and plans offered by Hostinger. The company has a range of plans to choose from, starting with shared hosting plans, which are some of the most affordable on the market. These plans start at just $1.99 per month and come with a variety of features, including unlimited bandwidth, a free domain, and a 99.9% uptime guarantee. In addition to shared hosting, Hostinger also offers cloud hosting and VPS hosting plans. These plans are more expensive than the shared hosting plans, starting at $9.99 and $34.99 a month, respectively, but they offer much more resources and better performance. And of course, they also come with unlimited bandwidth, a free domain, and a 99.9% uptime guarantee, as well as additional features such as daily backups and unlimited subdomains. Performance-wise, Hostinger is known for its fast and reliable servers that are spread across the globe, which can help to ensure that your website loads quickly for visitors. The company uses modern technologies such as a Lightspeed web server and Cloud Linux to optimize the performance of its servers, which can help to improve the loading times of your website. And of course, in addition to using fast servers, they have a global network of data centers that help to ensure that their services are available to customers around the world. This can be especially beneficial for those who have visitors from different parts of the world, as the data centers can help to reduce latency and improve the loading times of your website. Hostinger also offers a variety of tools and resources to help you optimize the loading times of your website. For example, the company offers access to caching tools and CDN services, which help to reduce the amount of time it takes for your website to load. Hostinger also has a team of experts who can provide guidance and assistance with optimizing the performance of your website. If we take a look at the uptime and response time of the past few months, we can see that Hostinger has been performing incredibly well, with an impressive 100% uptime from September all the way through to December without going below 100%, which is incredibly impressive, and an average response time of roughly 300 milliseconds, which is also pretty good. Now, in terms of features, Hostinger offers a range of useful features to help protect your website and data. Some of these security measures that the company provides include the SSL certificate. Hostinger offers free SSL certificates with all of its hosting plans, which encrypts your website's data and protects it from being accessed by unauthorized parties. Hostinger also performs daily backups of your website's data to help ensure that it is safe in the event of a disaster or data loss. Though for starter plans, you'll be getting weekly backups instead of daily backups, so keep that in mind. Hostinger also uses advanced malware scanning tools to detect and remove any malicious code from your website. The provider also has a firewall in place to help protect your website from cyber threats such as DDoS attacks. Besides the security features, Hostinger also offers a range of tools and resources to help you get the most out of your hosting account. Some of the features include a control panel. Hostinger has a user-friendly control panel called the panel, which is unlike the traditional panel that you may see with other hosting providers. This panel makes it easy for you to manage your hosting account, including installing applications, setting up email accounts, and managing your website. You also get one-click app installations. Hostinger provides access to a range of popular applications that you can install with just a few clicks, including WordPress, Joomla, and Drupal. You also get a website builder tool that makes it easy for you to create a professional-looking website without any coding experience. And, of course, a team of customer support experts who are available 24/7 to answer any questions or help you with any issues you may have. While Hostinger offers a variety of hosting plans to meet the needs of different types of customers, some of their budget plans, such as the single shared hosting plan, may not include certain features that are available on the more expensive plans, such as unlimited bandwidth, and you'll have a limit on the amount of data transfer allowed per month, whereas on any other more expensive plan, you're going to be getting unlimited bandwidth. Also, keep in mind that budget plans may have stricter limits on the amount of storage space available for your website. In terms of free domains, budget plans will not allow you to host a domain, while more expensive plans will give you a free domain name for a year. Additionally, hosting your shared hosting plans may not be suitable for very high-traffic websites, as they may not provide the necessary resources and performance. So, if you're expecting heavy traffic, I'd recommend that you go with the more premium plans, such as VPS or cloud hosting. Ultimately, whether Hostinger is a good hosting provider for you will depend on your specific needs and preferences. But, to be fair, overall, Hostinger is a solid choice for those looking for an affordable and reliable hosting solution. The company offers a range of plans to suit your needs and budgets, and its fast and reliable servers make it a good choice for those who want to ensure that their websites are always online with their great uptime. While it may not have as many features as some of the more expensive hosting providers, it's still a great value for the price. So, that is pretty much it for this review. If you guys are interested in Hostinger, feel free to take a look at the discounts that I managed to procure for you guys down below, which will save you a little bit more money on your hosting plans. Comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. And let me know if there is anything that Hostinger may be missing, or if there are any hosting providers that you would like me to review. And also please like and subscribe if you would like to support the channel or stay up to date with everything web hosting. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day!